Abusama mo achi aba na Nnawotwe dwumadie so enanapa yi. Adom TV, Asempa 94.7 FM. Enanapa nkomo edapono so. COVID-19 yare eyi niti, aban no atu anamo se na be ya hokyere no endorse omanfo so nti. E de niam bebree achiche. Se ye kasai, ensuo hu ka aban no afa bosome miensa. Electricity enso so aban no afa binom nso so ewo mu. Ye kasai onu aduane e de amanipa 400,000 ewo lockdown areas. Yanko
Government will absorb the water bills for all Ghanaians for the next 3 months, i.e. April, May, and June. All water tankers, publicly and privately owned, are also going to be mobilized to ensure the supply of water to all vulnerable communities. We have decided on further measures of mitigation for all Ghanaians for the next 3 months, i.e. April, May, and June. Government will fully absorb electricity bills for the poorest of the poor, i.e. for all lifeline consumers. That is free electricity for persons who consume 0 to 50 kilowatt hours a month for this period. In addition, for all other consumers, residential and commercial, government will absorb 50% of your electricity bill for this period using your March 2020 bill as your benchmark.
When you former President John Dramani Mahama, say Omanpenino, Obetina Yibiaka ho, Achede no onfa bi enka ho. Na den na nadwiri no aban no ebetimi aye. Nedikan, he wants a free extension of telcos licenses for 6 months. Air licenses are telecommunication companies. One of the year Jumano. Abai no extended renewal no for 6 months. Nedikan no. Niatosumi yenu yamra yechi. Niatosumi yenu talk time tax waived to be reduced to reduce data costs for affordable online learning to students. Now what you communication minister be announce say spectrums free spectrums say the ama Vodafone and MTN. And so former president say men so ha yemfa bi enka ho se na be ya yetifie aye adwuman ye benya data na fe ye de aye adwuma na wotwe finance minister Nnawotwe Furiata etro article amiame kan ye no epem me pa na sa article okọ adomonline.com obetimi akenkan sa article no ho. And according to him, government has projected GDP which is currently growing at 6.8%. No, because of COVID-19, ebe fall to 1.5%. And the same article said total GDP would be wiped out by 10 to 15%. Nnawotwe Furiata, finance minister, the informal economy of Ghana, which constitutes more than 90%, is the hardest hit by the lockdown. Informal sector, one more di bojoboja jedifo one more time niema table so lockdown one more and aka one more pa. Yakwa anymore. Anapa ye bisa, what are the implications of the freebies to Ghana's post-COVID-19 economy? Yadi weiche no COVID-19 yare yi echi. Insusanso ben na ebenya ewo man sikasem eso. Are there other innovative ways of mitigating the effects of the lockdown? Anka kwan foforo bi wo hono a yebetimi eyi breyi efri omanfo so. Lockdown breyi emu. Is government choosing the easy way out of the many options that may be available? Aban no anamo a wotu ye bon sema no de enso so ye bisew se ne amre wo mu no na aban no wafa wode ebo ye ho bra ana so ebi wo hono ma nanka obetimi ayede aka ho. Are there best practice examples from elsewhere to look up to? Ebitumi ahwe ne aman binom aye anamo a wo mu atuo de ema wo mafo ho ato wo mu na yenso so yetu saa anamo no ebia na anapai ye bisa na wo twedwumade nkoma etoso mienu edapono so eye COVID-19 unity ye pano aduro enso so ase ye ni didadida abrofuduro. And this morning we are asking a key element that has been missing in the possible treatment mix is alternative medicine. Ebibiduro ene nia enya abrofuduro a eno so ye bisa say aso ye betimi de ani ahwe ho ana Today we shall explore the possibility of getting alternative treatment for the pandemic, especially in tropical region. Yanya femuha say there be bidro kunyare ne beye ya anapei yebedomu esuko. Are there many herbal and homeopathy centers that are bound in Ghana up to the task, and what have they been doing so far? Yebisa say herbal centers, hospitals, and homeopathic clinics say what Ghana ha wama ye krado wama wo tumi no wama capacity no na saa yare ba ye kra no den wama ya ebetimi a kire say ampa so betimi anya yare yi ano aduro anapai nsɛm a egu pono so na wotwe dwumadi ɛso ɛno no wo hwɛ yɛn Adom TV san so na wote yɛn ka Asempa 94.7 FM bidin Eddie Chief Jerry Forson yamo akwaba. Yamo akwaba bio na wotwe dwumadi na yɛde brɛw na wotwe dwumadi na yesim konwa nsɛm ne yɛka ne sɛ ne yɛte no a, and then we deal with fact enti yabai na nsɛm no ne yɛdi ka ne editie no ɛno ho nkɔmɔ ne yɛba bɛtwetwe nneɛma aban no ɛde kyekyɛ na anapai yɛhwɛ sɛ ebenya nsunsuanso bi ɛwɔ ɔman sikasɛm so na mɛhyɛ nkɔmɔ twetwe no ase no Dr. Edu Owusu Sakode Economist, Institute of Fiscal Studies ɔno kuro yɛ akyerɛ the Economics Department, University of Ghana Legon ansa na mema doc akwaba no ma me engi break akra na nsɛm a Finance Minister Honorable Kanoforiata ade to dwa no mintutu me kakra na fe yengina so ene doc entwetwe enkomo nia openini ade to dwa. Our economy is over 90% informal and the informal market is in lockdown. Growth in GDP, which was projected at 6.8%, could fall to 1.5% according to our projections. How long can we sustain this? In the past 3 years, we have successfully completed an IMF program, brought inflation down, and acted to ensure fiscal discipline. Then the COVID-19 pandemic struck, potentially wiping out 10 to 15% of our GDP. Well, meko ahomano so na mene Dr. Edu Owusu Sakode. Edo kote menka me mo akwaba.
Ya ni amente onkafa.
Dr. Ahwade won ho de.
Na me Adom. Oja ye shefi.
Sa na nyina ye hwehwe no. But look, my first question, projection aba and say we could lose about 10 to 15% of GDP through this pandemic. Say yete ne brofo say ya e kire sen e we sikasem ho doc.
Ye kire say corona asem a odi abai. Nse ama edwadie enkoso say de ye say ekono. O hwe largely say the minister kan no. Ghana informal sector no dodo na Ghana GDP dodo na from every informal sector. Now, we calculate your GDP na Ghana ne amount dodo na they use the expenditure approach to calculate the GDP. Until the kind consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure ankre nyoma to menewo ye kodwom koto shirt, koto shoe, koto fuel, eto TV, any ade no, any effect consumption expenditure. We are lockdown, yarea by any lockdown, ya by any fee. Say, nipa do na enkoto fuel, enwo mukem, nipa do na enkoto shirt, enche, nipa do na fee. Enti consumption expenditure na conform. There also me no your investment expenditure. Ankra juma, juma ne omonium omoye, inventory. Enti yemfa say be a typical shop wa abekwa aboso kan na shop no wa close no. Obako Makola market na shop no wa close no na obi ameto ade. There also emiansa government expenditure. Say government can spend from the income. And it's a government anya sika ontimi spend it. Yedi kan ka say oil no government ahwere sika bebre free oil nim. VAT nso so ne any taxes do na wasa aban je no aban enya se skara nti enema bebre wasa nka aban so ye no eye government expenditure na nso akofom the toso enan eye exports sesi a Ghana ye tifie ye cocoa ni ye gold no me ye sure say ye produce there but so o produce na say o man na wasa oto no wase ono so yare abone ho kire nti onye ska nto cocoa ni gold a e be kofom nti o hwe business in general business akofom na ye de na de ma ye de no ya ahomete kese the informal sector nti me fa bibi de set trotro ana o hwe me ba me example so what I make say your GDP no any aman bebre no you use the capital you use the expenditure approach to calculate our GDP. A yes sika yes spending. Now at the back where what GDP calculation them say oh spending sika so a income ema obi. It is our corporate trot a your expenditure a co-consumption expenditure by a trot in the drive and also income. And to say, yeah, I'm a tiffy, I'm in for trotro, and I'm in for taxi, no, and I'm in for Uber, no. Trotro driver, no, so no, any income. No, no, sweat me, I could spend it, I could tell you, and about tiffy, at your electricity bill, at your water bill. And then I'm business, aquaform. And then it's a cycle, no, and I call a channel who says, cycle, we channel one. There's a my in a dread in aquaform. Na make us say the maye de ya homete kese ne say is the informal sector ma ye hwe Ghana dodo na no omo a omo ye adwumayefo no dodo na wo informal sector na informal sector is so near loke Greater Accra over Accra Tema Kaswa na the Greater Kumasi beka ho a more than 60% of Ghana's GDP a grow a 9 payo Greater Accra, what the Tema Accra, now the Kaswa and the Kumasi na all lockdowns is saying no. Sir, grow a 9 year all lockdown. We account for more than 60% of Ghana's GDP. Enti say yes, sir, baby a GDP na kasiya no free no nkro no kasiya no free no mo so ntra fia. Ene na asem kasiya ana aba. Enti ohwe ye Ghana GDP afiwe na ye project ye say ebenya about 390 billion Ghana cedis. Do you find say quarter 400 billion. Now man paying kasi ye be lose to about 10 to 15%, which means say sa edwadie na was a koso obi koforo trotro obi kotofuwa obi koto atade no enkoso no. It's it was say ya could see the end of the year Ghana you will lose to around 40 billion Ghana cedis. 40 billion Ghana cedis. So the minister no percentage in the calculation is between about 8 to 10 billion dollars. And you be 8 to 10 billion dollars. That's around 40, 50 billion Ghana cedis. Not all cedis are something like new cedis, you know, about 40 to 50 billion Ghana cedis. As some Cassia Pana as serious, I was saying, yeah, cheers up a munsio. Now, bizarre, and I am to us, bizarre.
Doc, what can come on hunti? Mamma, my bed for ya quaba, now Jina Sumame, Messanso about her, Dr. Sako de Adaruma. Now, Memma, Honorable Felix, Kwachi Ofosu, or your former communications minister, when you create a parliamentary aspirant, Abra Asebu, Kwamankasi, Honorable Hassanso, and Honorable Andrew. Kofi Ejapa Mesa Mabo Nidin Papa, a member of parliament for secondary and vice chair and the communications committee of parliament. Ben from Makwaba.
Yeah, Munye.
Well, honorable Kwachofus Mebao. Otie, shed Sanya mo pushy, young fat freebies nibbing cajon, a buy bet me a more, obey me the near money beati chakajon. What some pia a buy no 2 days, ma a buy the boca, and also a drink pop bempa and a territory.
Oh, there be. Edi kan amintia etiofo nyina ani ahwefo nyina no kra wasem no se ewiase afa na nyina saa yare boni edi yenya ne saa ni nti ede ahokyere ene abebrese ebewie nipa so na ewiase afa na nyina so aban ye wo ho nyina no etu anamo ahodo a omususu se beboa ma yaso yare na no ntempana na mantuo ni bi ne se e wo se nipa ejai akɔneabagye ɛsɛ nipa gyae adwumayɛ sɛ esukuufoɔ ɛna ɛbɛbɛ mu a ɛsɛ ɔmo gyae sukuu kɔ ɛna aban nnwuma nkasa ahodoɔ nyinaa so bebree wɔ hɔ a ɔmo gyae adwumayɛ ɛno nti no obi nkɔ ɛna obi aba na obi nkɔ ɛma obi mma no nti no ama kwan a nipa fa so ɛbɔ ne ho akɔnma ɛpɛ sika ɛhwɛ ne ho ne n'ebusuafoɔ no so ano abrase ɛkɔ fam sɛ egyae koraa na ɛkɔba ne saa a ɛde ahokyerɛ mapa ɛna bɛbrɛ nipa nti sɛ wo aban no wo de taabo ato nipa so sɛ ma ne nyɛ sei ma ne nyɛ sei ma ne nyɛ sei na sɛ ɛde ahokyerɛ ba na ɛno na bɛyɛ wasodie sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ biribi ɛde boa nipa na ne ho akyerɛ no ɛsan sɛ saa ahokyerɛ no efi nhyehyɛeɛ a wo de aba nti ɛnyɛ Ghana hapɛ ewiase afa na nyinaa aban biara ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛde sɔ saa ɔhaw ya no briti a wabi ɛnyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ bɛtena wafe bɔ broni sɛ ɛyɛ temporary solution quick fixes ɛnyɛ permanent solutions na wohwɛ a aman a sɛbio ɔmo nsɛm nni bi a ɛwɔ ebibire mu ha sɛ wo ka continent a ɛwo sikasɛm no ɛwɔ fam paa ɛyɛ African continent ɛyɛ ebibire mu mantam ha na hampo no aman a ɛni bi te sɛ Togo ɔmo population nyina bɛyɛ sɛ Greater Accra population Chad, Niger, Senegal ɛne afoforo a ɛni West Africa ha anaasɛ bibiri atɔyɛ mantam na nso ɔmo sikasɛm no wɔ fam sene yɛ no ɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ aburo yɛ de yɛ so ebinom koraa no ɔmama free rent kyerɛ sɛ ɔma ka kyerɛ efiewiafoɔ sɛ nyɛ ade a ɛsɛ ɔmo gye ɛdan akotua efiri ɔmo ɛte ɔmo fie na mo aban ne betua okɔ Canada na de ade a ɔma yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ te saa nti ɛwɔ mu sɛ MPP aban no ayɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ ni bi a ɛmɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ nyinaa gye tum nanso ɛsɛ yɛyɛ bi kan wɔ esan sɛ efie nipa te no ɛho nsunsuanso wɔ hɔ nti ɔma yɛ biribi afa electricity ɛne nsuo ho nanso ɛnyɛ electricity ne nsuo pɛ ɛna ɛyɛ ade a amanfoɔ ɛbɔ ho ka wɔka sɛ ɛyɛ Dr. Sarkodie a wofrɛ di kwan wɔfa so ɛne wodi nkɔmɔ no ɛyɛ abɛɛfo kwantempɔn kwan a ɛfɛ no internet yi so ne boa internet a oyi so yɛ no ɛkɔste no sɛ nka ɛnte saa nka ebi a telephone so na abɛfrɛ no anaasɛ ɔba abɛtena studio ha a ɛno no ɛho ka no ɛwɔ fam kakra ɛsene deɛ wɔyɛ no sisi yi ɔmo ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ mmea a ɔmo adwuma no ntumi ntwɛn no so ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ deɛ bɔne frɛ no working from home yɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma fifie nti ɔmo gyina abɛɛfo kwantempɔn so ɛna ɛde ayɛ ɛno akyi no ɔmo ɛte amanfoɔ fie a ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo tua ɛdan ne ka bosome no so no ɔmo ntumi nkɔ mma nti ɔmo yɛ de anya sika ɛde atua saa ɛdan ne ka ɛno nti na ɔmampanin ama ayɛ kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ mu sɛ aban no ayɛ nneɛma baako mmienu mmiɛnsa bi nanso ɛho hia sɛ ɛyɛ bi ka ho nti ɔno no de adwenkyerɛ aba sɛ ɛyɛ tetefo ne abɛɛfo kwantempɔn ho kaa yɛbɔ no aban ebetumi ayɛ biribi afa ho ne ɛteɛ ne sɛ afi biara no yɛma telephone telecos anaasɛ enyuma akɛse ɛyɛ tetefo ho adwuma no yɛma ɔmo license yɛma ɔmo tumi krataa so ɔmo fa nyɛ adwuma saa tumi krataa no sɛ ɔmo bɛgye a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tua biribi ma aban ɛne ɛfɛ no licensing fee nti ɔmampanin ama susu sɛ ɛho ɛbɛhia sɛ saa tetefo adwuma yi ɔmo tete ɔmo boɔ no so na akɔyɛ ankorankora adwuma nti woka sɛ ɔmo nte so a ɔmɛka kyerɛ sɛ na ɔmɛyɛ dɛn ɛnyɛ sika ɛde ahwɛ ɔmo ho
okay honorable nim okay yɛbɛba 13 point former president Mahama 13 point but mame nsanko Dr. Sarkodie so doc finance minister ebisa question bi what should an African finance minister do at this point samre ya yɛgye more freebies ɛdeɛn na sɛ woyɛ finance minister wa bibrem hanoma ɛdeɛn ne deɛn ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ
I think the kan yɛ sɛ on sɛ awɔ sɛ aban nyɛ sika ɛyɛ revenue no ansa na wa spend it nti sɛ sia na revenue no ma no deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ bosia bɔ ne baabi a sika bi hyɛ fast stabilization fund ya na sɛ yɛkɔyi ɛho hia and Bank of Ghana I think say you call IMF there was zero financing from Bank of Ghana And I think sir IFS cry people can say on my yini bia say zero financing from Bank of Ghana. And there was a central bank so more abanisi kakra. Na ya de hwe ya de boy ho akohoma. And this say na baby e benya sika 1 2 3 B free no and I hear because abanisi sika sema ba form.
Okay, Doc, remember what to also there, but we shouldn't forget or lose the fact as we speak, Fiscal Responsibility Act, a cap annual fiscal deficit at 5%. International so be here pa ankoma aye twitwin.
I know the Ankian Twin kakra because yeah act no na pandemic biama say no say the president kai we are not in normal times.
Okay.
And sometimes o frame o say senka ye ka busia bo anka me first person make say ma aban ko bobusia bia me high adwene because e kana da Ghana so na so. But say ye wa ho hiam. Enti normal things and ye in normal times no ye ntimi mfa sa debate no emma this abnormal so be abnormal time enti sa Fiscal Responsibility Act no mesre say enke betumi a menye mranim for there ba mensem panyifo studio home betumi abo enchechem sa act no yemfa nto nchan afewe na yemma aban no kwan na wontimi emobosi ana wontimi enye no budget deficit no enko more than 5% just for this year. After this year no then we can go back to the normal times. Etosumienu Bank of Ghana financing. Any can say 0, and I say 5% to cry. It can be more than 5%. Let's raise it to about 10% financing from the Bank of Ghana. Ewo afi we mu. Na say you trust afi we mu a na nyame adom na corona yikwa. Now when we are back to normal times, na after the mrabi ayadwuma. Until the kind no expenditure, the expenditure component. May you sure say after lockdown, say you be nyuma, say Accra, Magdika say Accra, Kumasi ne Temane Kaswa, accounted for more than 60% of Ghana's GDP. This lockdown chemwa. Na say nyame adono man penika say after the yentimi nko adwaman so nko digwa. Ye GDP no be ma ne home ne so ama ye nyina ye ho atoye. Enti yenhwe anu anim atoso mienu baby a esika no e was ekọ says ya the necessities aban e was o spend sika wo ho food, water and medicine eno na ye dia kaka na the electricity nso abeka ho ade e be ma nipa asetena akoso jojo.
Okay.
Enti sa social intervention programs eno ntina me bo aban na baso I'm sure say honorable fellows question so aka the same thing about social intervention programs. Now, this is the time you hear more social intervention programs. And I'm very happy to say Abanadi Kanyimpo started with free SHS. Now, I started with things like NAPCO. Me free saying NAPCO crown. And this is the time I was you're expanding on your beam a mass 100,000 because after this corona, nipa betina fee our munya juma de bebre. Because obi o kwa no we national service no compare adwuma. Ebi na nka adwuma ebi a company A betimi afa na ba say company A no. Dem fa say for example tourism industry yeah I heavily hit ama to say nipa bebre na tifi omunya mfaso ne omuboka ne ade. So ka say on fa obi a we university on fa na adwuma on fa na adwuma. Nti social intervention programs no dey ho na we say dey ani kọ. They say o free SHS. NAPCO no aban entum like omiem Emma 100,000 offer being home. Planting for food and jobs. Say can me say
okay. Doc, what am I holding on or planting for food and jobs? You know, mesa about hobby. Honorable Japa mesa.
Yes.
Pressure better also government. Munfa we nche, munyi we free hall, munyi tuo we free hall, munyi we free hall. Pressure better buying so. Ebi emu so. Do you have in mind the implications after COVID-19? Honorable.
Yo minchia ewona wenya mbra wa hwe na repe munia Felix Nawara etifu na wo radio enokwa yenni normal times say ehwe on the 30th of March 2020 more copy of the document to our finance minister Oba Parliament Oba provide an update on the economic impact of COVID-19. So we documents in all sectors of the Ghanaian economy, right from trade and industry, agric, hospitality industry, basic sale of goods and services, now has been impacted. Now, government revenue so has been impacted. And of course, because of the peculiar situation in I find themselves in, or abandon says do to also no ones as so that over the period no we too by then we recover. Now, that my Excellency the President can economy is behind the His Excellency the President Naban or a corner now when you see obutum was this more back. But since I know it's important that we preserve the lives of our people. Now, you will provide basic services now needs. It's actually COVID-19 alleviation program. Finance Minister, Oba Parliament, Mobisika approval for up to 1.2 billion. It's all intended to go into supporting Nkofo. We provide free water services on free electricity. Of course, Nkofo expect that when calls have been made, the ban on your more. But see, it's a prof, now assessment to make, now it's a finance minister.
Dr. Sarkodie.
Yeah, Dr. Sarkodie now allows to make. It all depends on the ability of government to do what it is that it can do. American and non other places are. Governments are actually giving people cash. Of course, Ghana has so a ban beyond the LEAP provision in Hawaii. Additional monies are being given to lifeline, basic LEAP program. Additional sums of money have been made available to those people. The Ghana has cash payouts. Hot meals among Crawford are one year fee because we know that the they practically live off the street. And I wonder what fee so for some reason won't go to afford going to the market to buy food. So Aban will provide the food, dry meals in collaboration with faith-based organizations, Chief Imam's Office, Catholic Bishops Conference, Christian Council of Ghana, Pentecostal Council. And when Aban in collaboration with them, our Cheseman at various locations in the lockdown.
And then we can also talk about 600 million SME.
Absolutely, of course, as it's being rolled out to support businesses. Osande, easy. I ran a law firm, and of course, say clients in Tiokawa, and in your cases, anya, any savings be the whole already. Rent is still pending. Private sector largely. Many of the countries are warmer. Free rent and all those kinds. I'm not interested that initially when you were making the comments, you made reference to Togo. Then you quickly moved to Canada as one of the countries. Canada can afford it. If you have public sector housing, you're major. And the government can afford to forfeit the rent that is due government. In our case,
Honorable, this brings to mind the little we've done in our public sector housing. But my question then is the government trying to score political points in these times? Because you have a government now, so a man for a government and the fans here and there, buying why are there, even though we are calling for more freebies.
Situation credit behind you are politics score behind him. And see, you get the sense that the minimum, I don't know what they are politics. Political scores behind him.
I see.
These are lives of people. Where the pains at which the president went through in even deciding on locking down Accra and Kumasi. There were calls from all quarters. Sebekaya, His Excellency the President, to taking the time to engage various sectors, various stakeholders, various interest groups. Because the structure of Ghana and the economy, it's not like America or UK or Germany. And look, I mean, as I hate him significantly in this period, if say you build a man going forward, lessons what they learn from COVID-19 is to improve on our data, information on our people, because assessment of even the 400,000, okay, NADMO only said to the finance ministry that look, say the population of Accra and Kumasi, it's about 8 million. One approximation is that about 5% of them, 8 million, would be in them brackets now without support from government. Won't go to survive.
And so that's how they arrived at the 400,000 figure.
But clearly, no, even 400,000 is not enough.
There you go. But we don't have the information. And see, we have to, as a nation, collectively, now, yes, COVID-19 has come, but actually, historically, this is not the first pandemic. And see, if, say, are we going to be faced with the same situation?
But there's this question on the issue of data where raises CCA and 400,000. Clearly, no any enough. Who should take the blame? Fault. And I buy no on how to. Quite a bit me zone. The Padudo say na waha. The Padudo say no. Emu say and they are vulnerable. Here emwa. Who should take that blame?
CJ,
government.
Yes, good. But government, the government of Ghana, successive governments, and now we are failed in making sure that we have proper data. And in the next year now, serious attempt at even giving ID cards to
successive
Ghanaians.
Governments. Okay. You are behind the steering wheel now.
But
You
of
are in
course,
charge of affairs.
and I'm glad to admit, but I'm saying that His Excellency Nnawotwe Dankwa Akufo-Addo Naban, he's put in place measures to deal with those challenges. National ID card, critical. Because it will give us one central database able to be but has it been completed? President Kufuor was started 2005, 2006. We didn't finish. They attempted to continue and left it at a point. But I'm saying that
national ID card. Are you saying emphatically said the national ID card is able to capture the needed data? Of course, issues baby. So yeah, party card in past and register. And I said we had a lot of issues. So if you are going
the party card as our registered
if you are using the national ID card as a
national ID party card for national ID card.
These are complaints that we heard.
Complaints relate to the distribution of food. National ID card or mbra, there's a legislation or spell out the ID requirements. And party card woman. There's nothing like that. Indeed, at the party card is not part of the requirements, so who is going to accept it? Or a Ghanaian passport, birth certificate. In fact, in the past, now NHIS card was part of the requirements. And now, Justice Sambran, you had our friends on the other side even complain that in itself is an attempt to disenfranchise opinion. Okay. It was only 2017. But I'm saying that, and I'm being very passionate about this matter. Ain't I gonna fool? Politics there are several issues from archaeology to geology able to me that here. But there are some fundamentals. We should come together as a people that look. These are necessaries. We should know the demographics clearly. That look, we have X amount of people. Won't go to. Why then? Will survive under any circumstances that we find ourselves now today? Do we have it as a country? We don't. That's the honest truth. And so I'm saying that going forward, we should all come together and support efforts that would ensure that the Statistical Service is empowered to capture data. We should complete our national ID card system so that we know the Ghanaian people, who they are. Of course, population census also, Now say, Ghanaians want data. We can then put those things together to ensure that you comprehensive information in the future. Quickly, we know how to deploy resources to the people.
Okay.
As we speak, it's not available. And see, you can only do some estimation. Dama, about why you CCIR, clearly, it's inadequate. And I expect that Dama President talked there, these policies are under constant review. It's a lockdown, no extension 1 week, now you know. Because the reality is, the rate of spread, medical, public health experts, a catcher and there. Maybe it's about time to lift the ban. I don't know. Maybe extend it for maybe another week or 2 weeks. expert. I'm a law that means that minimum.
Okay.
I can only express my feeling. But some feeling, if it's not based on factor, I should defer to the people who are knowledgeable.
Okay. Honorable Pacho, so mama honorable Pacho for me ba ho. Mama sanko Dr. Sako de oteminka. Aka kasem yebu baby.
Ya betonka.
Se udi nkosua no na nkokoma wa mu benyini na wanya akokonam asanso anya nkosua ne bi afiri mu a na wudie no. Dia ekoso yede weyi echichei. Plain in plain language. Insunsanso ben ene benya wo man sikasem so after COVID-19 yare yi.
Okay, sikasem as in revenue generation as a GDP.
Yes,
because GDP na okay there.
Yansha afenu ni nyina. Yansha mienu ni nyina.
Okay. Okay, so clearly you say revenue no there akofom. Aban no be a direct taxes, indirect taxes, VAT. Senko obi pia koto television, ko benya VAT, obi tua VAT also. But this year nipa konti fie na wonti mi nkonkoto atade onko boutique ni nkoto nyoma no. Sa taxes no na eto na aban ni nya no. Sa sikasem ni nyina akofom. Enti after COVID-19, after the lockdown no, there I was say dwumadie no, say dwuma edwa na ye di no Ghana no e ma no homne so dia aban benya se sika no kakra. Oil revenue no so yaka ho asem no. Say me hu say oil price na sha say e kosoro. Say kosoro a aban benya sika kakra afri ho. Enti ho na yenhwe wo he GDP no so a me can just say the first component of the calculation of a GDP na your consumption and expenditure. Enti anything consumption biana is not wasted. So aban ka say okay mun use nsuo ana mun use nkania ana mun use say the honorable fellow can say can say data yanti data so any idea na is not wasted. Ebe ko ama ebe boost consumption and expenditure na na kosoro. Enti idea ebe hia na the etitiro the ebe mani age kese ne say because largely informal sector nti say lockdown itwamu a enipa betimi akodwoma kodidwa ama oman no ne sikasem the GDP no asa ama ne hom ne so. Nti me sure pass after the lockdown we will start coming back on normal track and we will start coming back to the normal times. Ama edwadi akosoro na say yeka social intervention na eya na ebi mu nya hu figures the mami ntwa mfonyi na yina yente ase figures am be we ebi a enye exact but around the figure and the deviation will not be more than 10%. Okay, about 30 million Ghanaians are Ghana here 30 million now emu be 11 million less than 15 years. And based on ILO definition, or more in the council, and the sanko for students, usually largely they are students, less than 15 years, 11 million. Almost more than 15 years, in school, more no more hospital, more the prison, more pension, over 3 million people, over 3 million. Yes, almost near Juma is over 1 million. Or near Juma cry over 1 million. After a year Juma or Maimuno, about 12 million people. And a year Juma or Maimu. Now, out of 12 million, a move 680,000 per and a year by Juma 4. Bear 680,000 per a new 1 million cry and a year by Juma 4. What a private foreman, also by your father said, also about 1 million. To the your father says, okay. Government, any private formal sector is about 2 million. Then you are left about 10 million Ghanaians in the informal sector. And this picture should tell us the need for social support. That is why in NIPA 2 million, and I will be free to say, yeah, Omusika 7 year. No more so in NIPA 30 million, I say, memu. Ebia CJ utifie wo fa se be fra o se maniska unu be fra o se maniska sa dependence may lecturer from social passengers or economic passengers omu nyina be ye enti e ya dia sa social intervention here now we say sunsanso no de sunsanso no be ye ya se oman ne be ye ya ejina ba bia yes peniska no so man no be ya ebe afi 2020 na ebe ye 2021 aye ye 2022 a sensusanso no be kese sensu edisunsan so boni be braya ejina say ebe wesi sika no See a waste sika dia e den sunsun so boni na bebre. Say yan waste ni an efficient use, judicious use of the funds na ye benya so mfaso. Na ya na ye ka bosia boni ade. Ye wie HEPIC in 2006. Na Ghana carried 5 billion Ghana cedis, about 26% of GDP. Within the space of 13 years, from 2006 to 2019, about 13 years now, you had 213 billion Ghana cedis and any kayabo. But we have little to show. Oman ye at the crowd no ma be it's all about efficiency. To see our finance minister akwaje $1 billion every IMF fee. Meleni ya adwene. Yakwa fast stabilization fund about $219 million. Would translate about 1.2 billion. Ya pese yakoba Bank of Ghana so yasne any other areas. Ni nyina ye. Nanso ye wie ne we siskai na ya fa anya de kura wose ye de ya accountability no. Ho no ne ye ho be kire ye. Na eya ade a si yanhwe ne ya ye ho be kire na Ghana man panyin afre asofo bebre eba Jubilee House eba bompaye. Na say finance minister anso call parliamenters okwa quote 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. Ose seme man a mabo me dia fra wo no so obra wo ho ase na obom paye no hwehwe manim ade ba ko finance minister the refi ya wan fanka ho in the documents of present here ne say na odane wo ho free wa kwa mmone ho a English ne say turn from their wicked ways. That prayer, that 2 Chronicles 7:14 is an if condition. Yes, I won't pay an you. Menti brofo krana meti if condition. Or say if my people will humble themselves and pray, seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways. Now, I want to emphasize on the wicked ways. Turn from their wicked ways. I was say from Oman so basi trotro media basi clean and so no. And then me I make us anyone multi studio no Ghana for mutie nyina. Se 2 Chronicles 7:14 be ye adwuma se nyame betie empire bo no say asase yare a we should all turn from our wicked ways. Sikadie bebre dream any chronobo any corruption e koso no yen turn from our wicked ways. Asani abompire nyame atie 71% of our population is Christians, 14 Muslims. What the traditionalists can almost 99%. Ye free say ye nya bompire ko nyanso so wo hwe corruption yakoso nyina ya na ye bosa ye sa corruption no so ya hwe ni ya ye bebo mpaye amade ache ama ehunuma firi moja kra hwe ensi ye turn away from our wicked ways say obu ho aye this car man no na sika ye fa nkoto aduane ma okuafo ane so bi mobrofo no na obi a oti bi atrasa ko oda pradom no the says kana hye ne botom na say nipa we asa be ka che say ye fa ye front ho mompaye and empire no kwa na be adwuma. We should turn from our wicked ways.
Okay.
The way see adwuma, the way see abuse ska, the way see misembezzle ska, the way see misappropriate ska wo man mu no. Yes sir. Sika ye ka ho asem a ye ka ne abai also ye we free no. Say ya nye efficient use of the funds a ye be wie no. Na e dia ho kire na abai ye be wie no na GDP no nkọ nanim bebre. Ye be wie no na eka eda ho a was ye gige to ene ye gige tax ye so tax mu bio ma Ghana for sa ho kwa ahochire mu no na sa anyom no na eba ye so
yo doc
nti ye making efficient use of the funds.
Okay doc, on the note of one more such free one more kwan bo no ho turning from their wicked ways no meda was me dey see ha but as if Dr. Edu Sakode Dr. Edu Owusu Sakode and the NNC common honorable Kwachofu.
Yeah, Javi. Easy.
Amanyofo, are you ready to turn from your wicked ways?
Sir, as someone Dr. Sakode kind of. Someone papa is a vital point. And one as a what shall I say can na MPP for new machita for say we yaman yourself. Na COVID abanti and yaman yourself. Edi kind. Esi a shannon so says Sanchi ya can want some abayan. When say a very mundane response, a ade will be a bay. At to say what's the names you talk, not in soon about them, not or wabble or that for my son be fun. We are with the head now, now the Naku see baby pa. And on the way, yeah, one someone's room to be now. because a very predictable response. Intra me sha se catch say amanya hodo bebre. Any omo a yen ye wo bi sini omo kra ye de yen ya yi. Ah, esene yen ye de na ana ebro ye de
But of course, yen show be asan so
oma ina me say a mundane response. Ya de obi abeye. It's almost like a reflex action. Etosu mi no san hyehyɛ yi nya hyehyɛ etena wa febɔ. A very temporary measures. Etosu mi ensa no. Wo hwɛ baabi aban no kura nya sika ayɛ saa nneɛma yi a. Emfi ono ankasa ne mmɔde mmom enye sɛ bi opesike bi eto hɔ. Ɛna de hia da baayɛ no ɔkɔfa bɛyɛ. Sika a ɔmo kyekyɛ ɛde yɛ saa nneɛma yi. Emu dodo na afei mfa enye stabilization fund. Stabilization fund sɛ nya aban we na ti. Ɛyɛ foto a yabɔ ato hɔ. Ɛne heritage in fact yɛni kura anya de ankom kɔfa heritage fund kra kan ho. $216 million na was a stabilization fund mo a o meyi a o de ye de o moyi say sika no enya da bia na e de ma aban ani se bibie siansa eye ye na eto a na akofo ado ankasa agegye no e na oyi mu say sika ni bi de aya o ka sa obebo na ba so wa ye bibi sonko so I just want make ase eno echi no IMF fund bi yakoje $35 million em say no be na otwe mienu etwa mu na say sika ne bai ene nu a se ne na se ya sa kwaje $1 billion eye bosia enye sika yankasa ya pe ato hodida na we no sebi jari wo na wo ye mampani a na se onya sa de we ya wo de be ye de o mampani yi se ya de a ye ne da ana se de bia ye ma free electricity free water ye ma business $600 million na fi bia na be ka se ene wa yi bibi sonko but these are responses a aban bi atie kunya so be ye nti ese ye hye ne so ne ye jai sa ma nyo se ma amanfo bi person de ye no se ebre so se ye koto aba ye besese aban no money mo every a die di kan yo mampani akufo do betina so kopem da wo fie kunya no so there will be a full assessment eno no nkire se ene ya wa ya enso ani a ama oman no ekowie tibi a enye papa no ye wi ebefi esan se boso miensa bi ntem no yare bi ba ye man no ntino ewi ase afa na nyina ban bi a ye bi mu no so ye bi nti ese ye hye ne so eno no wo kan enye politics etoso enan no na me kan bibia fa additional measures a omampani Mahama kire se ese ye edika na ese ye hye omampani Mahama modern monso ono no oni aban mu se bi obi entu ya eto oma no nti ono ankasa ne botom sika ena weyi ede boa odi sika bebro 400,000 Ghana cedis eto PPs ne akade a aya isafo ehia se on beso yare yayo ede ekoche ena ene na nsen ya ebenada osanso eya adoye ode aduane ekoma mfie mako empem aduonu 20,000 enu sika 800,000 Ghana cedis ena ode ye wokan nyina boma over 1.2 million Ghana cedis of the man's own resources and they to mobilize from other places ena ode aye nti eye modern ma ese ye hye so enu akire wasan de adwenkyire ahodo aba ebi wo ha aban afa te say free electricity o hyase kan ena aban no agitu mu ade a eye but data asem a wo ka no o say aban ne telcos no ntena se na yenka se license ayese afie ye besimu ne bra so eso mutua no ye atwa kwa akire by 6 months 6 months no omuntua sa licensing fee ye omun renew license na eno no mfa so ebenya ne se omo so emfa sa akonya ne so ente eye data bo so se na ebe ya me no mi no yedi nkomo ana se ye edwuma fie ana se nkwala no usua de through e-learning na ombetumi de aye eno echi no so no aban eto eye communication service tax mu in the last budget by 50%. Nto mampani mama se no so aban hwe na onte so se na ebe ya data bo no ebe ba fom ena osanka bibi fa local production of PPs
on telcos already yama Vodafone ne MTN
there be a spectrum and no
for 3 months
there be no
that's not enough
and no be increase bandwidth actually be ma speed na kosoro
okay
because you have more space that is the direct implication but in terms of a boa e be ba from the ejina revenue ene etoa telcos no etua na so obetumi aso masene a ade se wa mo breathing space kakra eno no mampani ma ma yeka no eno echi no Dr. Sarkodie can be for waste of resources say yenye sika na ye atu egu ehun hia papa hwe san komodi a yedi etora na waka amanfo se yo wo de ye politics but no kura wo me de se nye nhyehyɛ ne anamontuo papa ene investment sika o mampani ma aban e de shares eniamba bi mu a nke ho be kire papa nke be die mia papa wo ba ayare sansem so a hospitals akese a ene edi yegyinamu e wo saa ayare mu e wo mampani ma investments abra oya saa investments no na MPB4 nam e kasetia no Says be we inflate cost of hospital. E wa bra na say be o enye no kre. Omusi o ye ni akwan. Hospital ye ni. Nanso ene yare ba yi. Say hospital ye ni. Nanso e ho na nipa e kwadi ayaresa. Wo hwe ye airport ya. Ene yetumi tu mu a ye se ye de quarantine nipa ni ade ade. E yo mampani ma mode mo. Ene ye se ye de nsuo chew. Nsuo no emu fa dodo na if your mampani ma mode mo. Ba ko bi e wo tese ye friend desalination plan. So ka say aban yi ba yi. Omu tu mu se dream ni point ketase bi akoso. Me wo ment mi afa dance di ba ko kra ma. Nanso yare ba ye de sa dream ne to ayira ama ma bie menne nipa enu mu nsuo. Inti dem besa me kansi so no say.
Na wo de wanu sia.
Eye boni say processes and systems. Eye insise ne na montuo papa. E na ye di bu man. Enye kasade kasahunu ene dedeye ene ye di bu man. Say ya anya san hihye yi a nke ho be kire. Mesrew ena me no ka say ye ho akire ama ye kɔ IMF akwaji 1 billion.
Honorable fa.
Nanso ye nye sika de de ye. Ye se ye kusi National Cathedral. Oman sika no oman panin say eye the priority of priorities. Priority of priorities. Nanso ho kire odi a na akɔ watam wo bag akɔ IMF so ma 35 million. World Bank ma 1.5 billion. Stabilization fund 260 million ye nyin fa ma. Na wo nye sika de a wo simi di kosi cathedral na ye priority. And we no so oman panin ma aka say hwɛ ye nyina ye wan ho kire mu. Ye nyina ye keka kan yensa ye kan yensa abo ano se na ebe ye benye bibi dia so ha na no na so hwe aban we emu nipa dodo. Look at me final point look at the size of government. Aban ya ye ho akire yen a ye pesika dia ya ade a wo se ye mo akwan na breach eye fiscal responsibility act eye cap de to say eni say ye exceed 5% of fiscal deficit no wo you have a government size with ministers 125 wo presidential staffers almost 1,000. Any other special assistants be bria.
But even on the ministers, no, Honorable Kojo Okonkwo the reply about. Say unlike the past government, now ministers,
Masa,
double salary. This time around, Minister
Masa, we must cut out pedestrian propaganda. In some way,
you think it's pedestrian?
In some way, in Tasum, we see a jack. Abano, so be a double salary. And call them the court. So at Massey. Say accounting problem ba. Now from so be ba, you correct it. That cannot be an excuse for bloating government unreasonably. So at Massey, me fa necessary be paid as some kakeki. Say me ye oswafo me ko wie sika di ya. And no yen nyina so say wo ba e so be appointing ministers by heart. That kind of talk must be dismissed and tossed to except we must take Ghanaians seriously. The account mo born aban we hu no. It reflects in their budgets. Okay. 68 million.
Honorable Japamesa, still on sermon, Dr. Sarkodie Ediwie, turning from your wicked ways. Which say Honorable Kwacho Fusua, looks like the government in power. Say, Sika management of the government finances in Cheyi, and that is why you need to turn from your wicked ways.
You see, it's amazing. The this is not the time or the politics. NDC for one main aim right from the beginning of this crisis. Politics. Right from the very beginning, I was set up one COVID-19 technical committee. One terms of reference. First item on it is to advise their flag bearer. To do what? That's when I knew that politics no open away. And if you listen to him, condemn Nana Adedanka Akufo-Addo initiatives as mundane, and highlight Mr. Mahama for his personal contribution, and make mention of investments that Mr. Mahama made that in the Aban or rely on. CJ say, oh yeah, mundane. Abani biya obeye. Why is Mr. Mahama seeking to take credit? The unknown suggestion. And President Akufo-Addo di ejuma. If it's mundane, abani biya over the planet is something that they will do Why? Those on also just aban why cut electricity, no provide the free water. It's taking credit for something that they claim to be mundane. So you should see their mindset. But you see, thankfully, the Ghanaian is very wise. Because we live in this country. We face minor compared to this economic crisis arising out of one mismanagement, reckless expenditure in the 2012 general election. You recall what they did? They went to the IMF to borrow money under the ECF facility. Conditionalities are imposed on them as a government. Teacher trainees are where ejuma, public servants, why ejuma 2 years. You told them that they should forfeit their salary and take only 3 months. You recall? Okay. You scrapped nursing and teacher trainee allowances. As I had to support your non clearly hardship. And see, one through those policies. You scrapped it. You suspended recruitment of graduates to the public service. Increased electricity and water tariffs, fuel, imposed taxes on cutlasses, including and condom. That was your policy response. Now, let's focus on Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. His response to a pandemic will lead to economic crisis. That one is mundane. What you suffered was not mundane.
But honorable, on
Chief, remember, Masrao, I would deal with every single item that he mentioned. No problem at all. That's the purpose for which we are here.
Honorable, let me chip in this one. On the excessive borrowing. Okay.
You see, nobody condemned the building of hospitals. Obian condemned hospital. People criticize the cost. Is it the same? Mr. Mahama, when he was vice presidential candidate in 2007, seeking for the vote of the Ghanaian, he told us that Abambia infrastructure. Do you remember? Every government build roads, every government build schools, every government build hospitals. And so if you tout your achievements in that sector, you are engaging in an exercise in mediocrity. Quick, he has forgotten. Why? Kolebu, Mr. Mahama Nusi. Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, Mr. Mahama Nusi. I'm asking you a question. Was it Mr. Mahama who built it?
Me too.
They are not being used. Yes, he's added the University of Ghana Medical Center. By all means, great, no problem. And even that, more beyond pony there. What our NDC people are telling us, President Mills, in his 4 years, one year. But is that the case? Many of the projects that Mr. Mahama takes glory for were all commenced during their first term under President Mills. But I can understand that project need development, it takes time. Because they approve facility. And look, if I knew we were going to talk about that, I have documents in my car right out that list hospital projects that were commenced even under the era of President Kufuor. To date, they haven't been completed. You've abandoned them. Your hospitals that you started, some of them were less than 50% complete. President Akufo-Addo has completed them. Some haven't been completed. Because it takes resources. So I can understand that, Sir Aban, and look, this government has initiated huge investments in every sector of this economy. They are matters of public record. including hospitals, water systems.
Can baby sir, including hospitals.
I'm telling
because
you,
that is what your friends
Chief,
on the.
now very recently, why General Hospital has not been approved. It hasn't been done. Last year, funds were made available to complete Bekwai Hospital. Start hospitals in the western and eastern region. The year before, I have a document in my car now, and I'm sure you go on break. You see, so let's not do this. Please.
We need that document.
No, I'll bring it to you now. You wait.
Okay.
Remember, desalination plant. What were we told by the Ghana Water Service? Ghana Water. That the cost of producing the water, they are better off not even running the machines. But we are in a crisis. Yes. We are in a crisis. So it's important that people are giving water. But otherwise, alternatives were always better than generating water from that plant. Now government is incurring cost, huge cost, to alleviate the people of suffering of people, because movements have been restricted. People cannot source alternative water. You see, Stabilization Fund, the Petroleum Revenue Management Act, was passed in April of 2011. At the time, Ghana had discovered oil in commercial quantities. President Kufuor Nabredo.
Honorable, 1 minute. That's what I'm
Oh, time PD.
So we can
all
go
the things that you mentioned
we can
that
go
I
for
need
a
to
break,
respond to.
and then you can provide the document that you are talking about.
All the oil President Kufuor or discovered in commercial quantities, they were in Parliament when Honorable Ada, then Energy Minister, took a sample there. What did they tell us?
Honorable Adom,
Memo
Adom TV, Asempa 94.7 FM. Now, you may be in Igusua, Yede, Bromami Chami Humrameba, Yemetwaso. Yamakwa babio safe na do afide no ato na Nnawotwe dwumadi ne de bro Adom TV uti enka on radio so Asempa 94.7 FM. Yeda se memenda bia o kan ye ho yeguso aye twetwe enkomo ewo fie ha. Onobo japa mesa. So me pese be be shift focus because it looks like we are getting into projects and sa nema. Onobo japa mesa. Mema just 2 minutes. Work of document in abade, but clearly these are approvals for hospitals to be built, and your friends on the other side are talking about completed project figure 2 minutes.
No, I recognize that yes, some of them are done. Can I have projects that have been completed here? Have the list. Okay, new projects that MPP has started. District hospitals are Sola, Tolon, Somenya, Bupe, Weta, Akontobra, Bogoso, Elubo, Isuyaim. Polyclinics in Bamboy, Wasadunko, Mpoho, Bekwai District Hospital that they abandoned is being finished. Katanga Maternity, Konfanochi Teaching Hospital Maternity Block, Boga Regional Hospital Phase 2, University of Ghana Medical Center Phase 2, upgrade of 4 hospitals in Kibi, Tetekwashi Memorial, Etibie, and Eburi, Eastern Regional Hospital. This year, 2020.
Okay, so these
hospital projects that have been approved. Of course, I'm saying that, you see, projects take time to complete. And I will give you a list of projects that were started by President Kufuor. Okay? That in 8 years, you did not complete. I will give you a list of projects that you started, that you did not complete, that Nana Dodankwa Kufuor has completed. I will not take credit necessarily, because I recognize that projects, it takes time. That's why I asked there, in their 4 years under President Mills, what did they do? Abadnawaye. They started projects, including Atuabo, but they make it as if it's President Mahama's legacy. Why? The whole Papa no heritage if you get in history. Is that the objective? The President Mills had obey one baby. Or started projects when we in the same way Nana Akufo-Addo has started projects on the first time. Only.
Okay. Honorable,
but you sit and make it look as if to say that you are the savior of this country. Your track record here clear.
Okay. But that's it. Honorable Kwachofosu, I want us to maintain the focus.
It's important.
But how far would you have gone with these freebies? ɛdeɛn ya na nka mo de bɛka ho ɛdeɛn na nka mo bɛyɛ mo aban mu a
yes we face pandemic da but in our case
it wasn't this severe.
You face the pandemic.
Me pouch please.
Which pandemic?
Oh,
No,
SARS and Ebola. SARS and Ebola.
Ebola is a much deadlier disease than COVID-19. Ebola say any pe dua emunsun omewu.
Ebola say endu Ghana.
Good. Enya say yet work eke na Ebola na endu ha. Ni e wo mampani o ye nhyehyeye so a no nti a endu ha. That is the difference between him and the current president we have. I don't know what can almost your politics. Ebola say e kan wa within 2 days you will be dead. Wait, you say it has to be there for 14 days. Now, why are you cracking? I said, Ebola, so within 48 hours, a moja be 2 wewu. Saya, no, a shall see if you West Africa. We are shall see if you man West Africa. Could you win in the
and to be such as an amount to Ebola, you 2 years in a way.
On my penny mamma, one once an article. One among crack call a Maya Nisi Hono. Echo boy, send a best one on Magana. Urefi. What I say about all MP for some normal can almost you or quack of fire number. What I say, the same way another free no way by COVID-19. I have never said that.
But you heard people from your side.
Just say me. So what person would see what the former position is? I would see him penny for. So I must be able to work at your PBR. But what is the official line?
Oh my.
So I must say, Nana Akufo-Addo, he is on record as having said, say, Abayan Shena Ebola na Magana. He said it. Ampeni ampaso ampeni mama eye edwuma ama saa Ebola na mba nti ewiase afa na nyina ye bo na baso say he was a poster boy for the fight against Ebola oko Sierra Leone eko Liberia eko boa say so mo ye wo no enye yie se na be ya no mma ha. That is proactiveness. Another than cham Mr. or can be about economic record. You see bibi ani ho a emanipa ehu dead esia dance die wo say yen we messed up the economy nti eko IMF kwaje 936 million in a senior credit facility. Yakoje 900 million. Na wa bra wo say yen economy na tete apansam. Wo economy na ye ama. Wunya COVID 1 month wakoje 1 billion if IMF. Enyo man bia na akobobosia in the time of COVID. There are countries, South Korea. Omo de oma yama and then say omo to aba. They have resolved that problem and moved on. They are living their normal lives. Wunya COVID 1 month. Wo na wo say we economy awa e be mad. In any event, that economy, in terms of figures, I can dispute it. Say it is not the best economy we've had. But let us assume, for purpose of argument, say in some our can you one manage economy you've gone for a $1 billion loan. What could you stabilization fund?
Honorable question. Even China's economy is in a record down low in the past 10 years. So what are you implying?
China, almost only by 1%. The quantum of resources involved, we cannot dream of it. So that's what I'm making us. But has said they have fixed the economy. The economy is robust. This is the best economy we've had. And yet when you are COVID 1 month, you've gone begging for $1 billion. In the same breath, me what's the economy not saying? I went for 936 million. Almost say 1 billion in your Monsaka. Last Friday, you almost say 1 billion. That 1 billion is spanned a period of 3 years. So that's what I'm making us say. So when you're freebies, at a time when you claim your economy is good, if your economy was good, you won't go for that money. You won't go boss Abosian. When will be always go for Bosian? It shows, it has exposed you. Say someone walking in Ano, and you're just sophistry. And you're casa. But again, back to my question. Good. Back to my question. The other issues. It also means no. What really defines a government? Any in 8 years under NDC, Sika yenya na Dr. Bamia no dina simpie soka 248 billion in 8 years. Aban we ba ekonye so yi. Wo de boso ma bon nan say ka ho a. They've had 230 billion in 3.5 years. When in echi no, we need bibi ade kire you are showing us approvers. Omanpeni mama, he was also in power for 1 term. And yet the oye and one man airport na esi wa. Ene ye di tu ye ho no. Am I the best airport in the whole of West Africa and one of the best in Africa? No? Okay. He was in office for 1 term.
Back to my question. Let's stay focused. Say mo na mo wa ban mu a enka ye di we che freebies to such extent.
Na some catch say Jerry, I've told you say no mundane experience. And I can want to ask you. Because a mundane what it means ni say e ya de a wo be yen say me ma on fa to say say what them na nsuo to na nsuo no e wura wo dem na
it is
a natural reaction. I don't know say we Japan Very nicely. No. I don't know. Say we Japan. You will do it because it's a natural reaction. But the difference between Yen and Amaya, they are well structured and properly governed. No? And what has happened in places like Singapore and South Korea. Almost in your COVID, they contained it and they've moved on. They've done better than more advanced countries like America. Singapore, they are actually a city state. In fact, they are hemmed in by Malaysia. Some time ago, now in they had to import it. Yet, that is a serious country. That's a country that is being governed properly. Now, how do you, we'll try Biashe, Matra Makwe, we'll ye Biashe. Now, we are Casa a bit mad than a walker. Into saying, yeah, well, Ben Wankasani, or my penny mama, while listed 13 proposals. Okay,
13 proposals. No, I have them here. So that immediate development of a national infectious disease response plan. Establish another medical research center with capacity like the Noguchi.
Or my penny mama says, "Ask more. Can we be an obedience years over here?" Because he has a track record. He has solid or can approve us. Or my penny mama approve us. Ojano Hong Kong. Polyclinics Makumaku 20. Just approve us. I don't know where you did where we any free wa. Approve us Ojai. There's not a single major project that costs now. And your president mama ne. Malama Faton. Almost sorry, I'm the Pokwasi in touch in 2 of them. And your man penny mama November 2016 occupies can buy. And on the scale of pay. The biggest railway project that costs never Ghana. Tema to Akoso Mo and Asem Pakadan.
Into Pokwasi in touch Mama legacy.
A Pokwasi. Obeche bi lamte second and say omoko say omoko ye phase 1 and phase 2. Me was sika da wo pay phase 1 and sika. Omo for phase 2 sika mine. Then some market so for phase 2. E phase 1 omo ye $39 million. And which no tema interchange. Omo ye no. A ticket conference 2015. I was on that trip. And on Mampeni Mama co negotiating 56 million a grant. Japanese government the man. Your Mampeni Mama in San Juma no. We know everywhere. There are so many others that I can point to. Your Mampeni Mama approve us. Sika okope baye and ye day. In terms of Sika aban we any output no and so any the man say they favor the abolition of consumption policies. This a nation plan to come was any excuse or say the cost of production was high. Meanwhile, Abankroya will say it is possible to pay the fees of SHS students, which are 2.4 billion afibia. It would describe a crash also nipa 500,000 in the catchment area of this nation plan in Suonum Afiboa. What is the problem with it? What to Mumedi Emia for 2 years? I won't share into common the nipa. Now plant is your only excuse is that the cost of production is high. Meanwhile, you are financing consumption policies. Enfa infasobiama. This nation plan and your crown says you know better when you character. Free SHS ya the papa. But no way you don't get immediate returns in terms of sika. But you are doing it because say ya the papa. Meanwhile, ensure what is the most basic of necessities of life. Also when you want to plant because of amanosemunti. And America no me can be about the attempt by them to undermine projects at President Mama. Or see they didn't do that. Masa no crash Nana Akufo-Addo ankasa. He led the attack on the Red Hospital. Okojina simply so ka someone no crash. Said the Red Hospital was being inflated by 142 million. He said it. It's on record. February and March 2016. Now or the FNO's True State of Nation address after President Mama in the State of Nation address. On my penny mama Akufo-Addo Kroya. So in your green book no. Let's go copy the card. So Oko Bekamako Yabecho. On my penny Akufo-Addo it's on record to have said says our green book was filled with Photoshop projects. In fact, the State of Nation address no February 2016 2020 Osanka said there are roads in the green book anywhere. Me was asking no credit. So enye said the MPP propaganda keke. Enye Facebook propaganda is the cancer asem no man the leadership of the MPP the highest levels and na yes adie. But ene adekunti a amanfo obo na chi. Na omo obo man pani mama abaso ne say o mehu say asem no mo kan nya no credit. Na mum eye sa projects yo ye ene edin agina mu a eye. Enti no credit ni. Okay. Asem ya be ya asem a ha adwene. But ye kan sa asem no I was saying, say, and ya kasa any consumption policies.
But on out one say,
and on my tumpong. Now, a investment. We are a developing country. You point to no form. We lack basics. There are basic things I am man who need be. Meno kase Ghana ha. we population there are about 20% omu ni sukro je omo no sabi baby wo be kono na sabi mpediasa wani mu na etiefu ahwefu ani mu a omo ne emwa na prince yo ho baby wo hwa wo be kono se wo ka se wo fa ekwan ye da ho so a be 4 hours na wo nu
okay
baby wo hwa oba sabi awo kana ye ne to bicycle so ana yesua na pakan mu e de twa nsu ansa wetumi akọ hospital in the next clinic in the next community. These are development difficulties abem the to tackle. Now before there, almost to say over abemwa and yes and no. Now all you have to do is consumption. And it's not 230 billion in 3 years. Only be on the chair apart from approval. Mamika be show. Sa approvals no. Sa approvals no and can't it has not added to our debt. Mr. You are a member of Parliament, you should know. Okay? Jerry, the only time you kind a car would when you start dispersing, will draw down Sikano. My minchroom, my boy was 100 billion, say for your projects. So who approve? As a Chinese and Minumi, you are just to say, Mamma 100 billion. But until Selber say, oh, Mammy 5 billion, Nami found question project, Nasi Bamma contract and master, TV man. So my first can mawa, men cancel my mosika. I will not events and count that as a loan yet. Inti approvals are all canon. Until say contract and Ajisicano aye projects no, they remain approvals and can't a car ye and can't 230 billion or many no. So what must say? It cannot even cite those approvals no and those projects all canon as evidence of Sika idea. Okay. Revenue. Final point. Oil revenue.
Time.
Oil revenue. 20 billion. 20 billion. Ghana cedis in oil revenue in the last 4 years. But the mama, the 4 years in just under 7 billion.
How about Japan, you making progress. But
as Ebola was Magana because of President Mahama.
It was in West Africa.
Who told you that?
Liberia. It was in Sierra Leone.
Ebola was in United Kingdom, United States of America,
yes.
Uganda, Spain, South Sudan, South Africa, Sierra Leone, Senegal, Russia, Philippines, Nigeria, Mali. Look,
you expect me Ebola.
Thank you very much.
What do you think?
COVID-19, how many countries are winning?
Oh, it is everywhere.
It is everywhere. And you want to compare COVID-19 to Ebola?
I'm because it is possible to prevent the disease.
Which country has prevented it? Tell me one country that you know that has prevented it.
I'm coming, Jerry. COVID-19. Abra first 2 cases in the Bayern. Assembly on Mankasa Kachere. Say it was imported. Imported, no, the people didn't come through unapproved routes. They came through an airport.
Okay.
That time, no, now you're in the sea, in other countries, 67 days.
What port of entry during Ebola, what did you do? Extraordinary. Yes. Extraordinary thing did you do?
What do you want extraordinary? That's what you do. Then you have done nothing. You say nothing.
Look,
Jerry,
another proposal from President Mahama Diaba is the need to look at alternative medicine, to look for a cure or a vaccine, to get a cure for.
Honestly, President Mahama's suggestion.
Yes.
Oh, the man, as far as I'm concerned, the entire globe will be some solution to COVID-19. Into if traditional medicine can be of help, it be about welcome. But you see, let me not be tempted
we don't go back
in there.
We don't go back. Let's keep the focus.
But it's important. Also, the new beyond would say here our the complex appreciation of some of the issues. And so, be here the betrim, ma watasi. Also, President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo on onye investment. Why they approve us? So we demonstrate intent to invest. Let's just say that more can acquire. Keta expansion and rehabilitation of Keta water system is here on onye investment. Let's just say it hasn't started, but no onye potential investment. Now also loans are now there facility a contract no. It only accrues to hold on, please. But we pay commitment fees. Maybe so awesome. On your part of a cover every, but that's what it is. But how can it be part of not be part of the cover this way? No, I'm a finance person. I'm a
That's what I told you.
you're a lawyer, I
I'm a
know.
finance person. I'm not, but I think
I mean, not it's a ministry
so
maybe
so I made the limitation.
a cow no on cow so I don't cow. It's your cow.
Yes.
How does that work?
That is-
Thank you very
No,
much.
No, Jerry.
This is pure common sense.
If you give one,
Chief,
I'm also not a finance
So I'm
person.
coming here finance. I'm in law.
But Jerry, see, me, Martin Abemuda. In fact, so we'll be so Kuma. In fact, one of the reasons Oma for the increase in the debt stock and Akufo-Addo, any disbursements of loans contracted under President Mahama.
But you say it's Akufo-Addo's debt.
Oh, don't worry. Because
you say it's Akufo-Addo's debt.
Because under President Mahama, yes, we inherited projects. Now you have disbursed, so it's added to our debt. Meanwhile, when you were calculating our debt, what I'm telling you is that Opa fair finance on a bisa. Say until those money is not at disbursed, no, it does not add to your debt. Commitment fee, no. What it does is that not trigger the release of the money. So I can say, the guy was saying, to say Poku was saying, now 86 billion.
Now arrangement fee
At the end of the day, you discount all what's in a film. But I'm telling you, say, so what Bobo Sia, in fact, 1 billion here, what until say IMF for a bed disbursement. What Bobo Sia, 1 billion is on paper. Yeah, approval. But one neck 1 billion until say what is the in naira. That's what I'm saying.
One take 1 billion because the bill
T. What Bobo Sia 1 billion. So our commitment fee na dey no. A prerequisite. A adwuma wo ye.
but ni nyina kaka no ho.
T.
Ana nka ho.
Mr. Say ye kobo sa ye fence. Bonds na ye kona.
CJ,
Yes,
what time can I borrow for you?
Because you have raised an issue that must be
I've raised that, but you cannot take and then respond to it when it gets
you can do that
I'm
when
telling you, until it has been disbursed, it does not add to your debt. That is how it works. That's all.
Okay, I we get it.
You
That's
see,
what it is.
yeah, between January and April of 2020, investments in Kuti and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, or Ghana, on major mo.
What investment?
Okay, but
Hold on. You sit here and tell us that
the government is investing in water, it's investing in electricity.
So where is
it's
it?
investing?
You are talking about consumption.
Look, you see,
And that's the point I'm making.
some of these things they want, and I agreed 100% with Mr. Mahama in 2007.
Said it. It's not true.
That what? That touting infrastructure achievements and exercise in mediocrity.
Do you know
But that's what he said.
Do you know what he was even responding to?
What was he responding to? See, I agreed with him.
Oh, master. And
Because
then you agree.
oh, I
You will
agree.
agree
I've
because you have
always
nothing
agreed
to
with
show.
him. No, man. What do you mean by we have nothing to
Because you
show?
have nothing to show. What do you have to
Guys,
say?
Mr. Emma.
Okay. Remember, projects are here no I would contract
The
loans.
major ones.
I would contract loans. It's one way. I want to
Otherwise,
so I want to
say,
oh, maybe so
But
some.
gentlemen, let's make progress.
Oh, you want to count?
I can account, no doubt.
No,
about
but
it.
who contracted it?
Honorable Mesa.
You did.
So why are you saying
Pamcho,
that
Pamcho,
the projects
Pamcho.
that you contracted loans
Pamcho.
prior to your exit,
Exactly.
that Nana Akufo-Addo or disbursed to do projects according
it
to
will
him,
happen
it's
anyway.
Akufo-Addo's debt.
Whether Akufo-Addo came or not. Because our governments face that.
Honorable Mesa.
He has to face it.
So why are you
And
adding it to
counted
Akufo-Addo?
You added that
Pamcho.
to our debt.
You
Honorable
see,
Mesa.
check,
Honorable Mesa.
you added
But then, political point of no response. Yo, Martin.
Yes, Remo.
Oh, no problem.
Jumedi,
Sure,
so
no problem.
we
Right.
maintain
Oh, no.
some decorum. Mr. Remo,
No problem, no problem.
and
We are decorous people.
Oh,
Yes,
Felix, the chairman, brother Kakraba. This is there's no problem.
we are
But see,
not
Mr. O,
respecting
CJ, yeah. Felix say, Nana Akufo-Addo na ban, or say, we build economy, robust economy. COVID-19, kitikiti.
1 month.
1 month. I agreed, 1 month. Yako IMF. Okay. Now when Wakaji,
especially when you promise, say,
no,
you complain excessive borrowing. You have issues with excessive.
Clearly, issued on Tassi. And I mean, not Tassi. No, hold on. Meaning not Tassi. But it's been mischievous. That's all. COVID-19 response. Abane provide 100 million to fight the pandemic. Now, COVID-19 no, or the insunsundubiaba. One of them ni suffering and follow suffer. Into a stabilization fund or a portion of oil revenue no come. na yentum yema or accumulate anko odo onye hwe nti ye capital that every year they are no stabilization funds ke bebe no on gina more than 300 million, right? It's not that Nana Akufo don't face comfort to stabilization fund.
Okay.
Because he has generated when your oil revenue. This is very important.
I have 4 minutes to wrap up on this very.
It's important. The Yabatasi, Nana Dodan Akufo do beg. What's on the way generate the biggest oil revenue so far? So it stands to reason that he must have put money in the stabilization fund.
You have 4 minutes. You have 2 minutes, and then I'll give the last 2 minutes to Honorable Felix.
Third one, government new revenue. Taxes are not going to come. Oil revenue is not coming. Your project is $63. Now it's sub 30. Since I was start to cost because of the OPEC for one decision that will take it to cut supply. Now, your budget I approve for 2020. Revenue abandoned on not fund expenditure. So if the revenue number, salaries ought to still be paid. Social investments have to be made. And Saban is required to fund money. About riska, about plug them revenue gap. I must start the generate revenue bima. Can you compare this situation with your abysmal performance when you were in government? Which pandemic did you face that stopped your revenue from coming? Remember, hold on.
My time.
Abra situation, the NPC 4 face here. And the revenue back because of that. No other work or IMF. Why they went to IMF, we're told. They went Didonina in 2012. Okay, RLG Group were more on contract of almost 1 billion. No budget. So you needed to find money to pay those obligations. What are we talking about?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Very fraudulent miscellaneous deal. $800 million. The biggest case. Oh, me pocho, me come answer. Me more 4 minutes. Oh yes, we will talk about fraud.
So you want us to talk about
even PDS fraud. The same issues are. Amana call IMF. I'm on Penny Akufo-Addo. Adriania call IMF. Were the same issues that compelled us to go.
Which one?
Bottom line, revenue shortfall.
So you had a revenue shortfall because of
what? They messed their revenue target. Professor Adey, board chairman of GRA in the time in 2013, 2012 alone, just corporate taxes from oil sector alone, fallen short by $740 million. Grants are and also yet part of our budget. And also over $700 million about way by they've had over $3 billion in grants alone.
Okay.
Mr. Oil revenue. Share the time. Mr. 2016, oil revenue. Oil revenue on penny, was about 700 million Ghana cedis. On penny, every year, why on penny, we are not less than 4 billion Ghana cedis from oil revenue. In terms of Sikam, you needn't have gone to the IMF. But I am mismanagement and a COVID.
Honorable Felix Kwasi Ofosu, former deputy communication minister and parliamentary candidate Abra Sebukwamans Kese, Honorable Andrew Kofi Ejapamesa, a member of Parliament, secondary constituency, and vice chair communications committee of Parliament. Therefore, Mame Endamase. Near Ediho, say, yepe COVID-19 annual drawing. A humbe here, say, Yabesha Yaya game. Mechire ebibiduro se yewo ebibiduro a yebetimi e de aso COVID-19 ano even hospitals e wa ha herbal hospitals ne centers e wa ha no wo mo wo saa ahoden no se wo munya bibisa wo betimi aye no dodo e de asayare eno ne nkomo a etoso mienu a ye de eba beto edwa
said the above food no crown. I am no money few. Yeah. It's a bit bang no crown, a baby drew. I don't know what the president. No. Like I say, let us try herbal medication. I want to Ghana as an hour. But above food draw paracetamol. I have no money.
Absolutely.
It's a yes, you are when I say you will be dry. Yes, social.
Okay. Eti metram ho aba on na fe ye ba ye de nkomo a edi ho no e de abro. Ken. I'm a baby o me da say sawa twen yen Adom TV so na wo hwe yen so na wote yenka Asempa 94.7 FM na wotwe dwumade na ye de brewo yesom usompa even in these extraordinary times. Meaning the CJ Forsen me na me di dwumade ehwo chia me. Nkoma di ho na ehwo pani abekamen sa Dr. Sheikh Amin Bonsu oye herbal medicine practitioner. Mame ma no akwaba doc mo akwaba.
Yeah.
Adwuma mboko de.
Na me adaroma.
Yare ba ye ne de deda. Amanone si ebenya abrofuduro betimi di aso ano. Anapɛ ma se bi se edi kan. Ebibiduro bibi wo mo ebetimi aso yare ya no.
Yo, de din kai ye bede nyame asese o me yam quiet yo. Afin so ye de nyame asese Ghana. O me ye de na ayema yesere ne se o ma nka ho saa na obia ehunto no emayen. Afi ye chia yampani mfo nyina yesere nyankopon se na daroma Ghana. Nyankopon o ma yare en makra na nka enko. Na wiase nyina so nyame onyini nyina emfiri ho enko. Na okay. So sha on say Ghana Nyankopon adaroma e betimi enya aduro a betimi aboa na COVID-19 no ye betimi asa sede obusame no inshallah nyame boa example ne say on say o hwe China for no because of say o hwe research na many of them no use herbal and omohoto because of that no nti other areas no wo pen natural medicine no one say to America akwa bebre na o share Italy o share we no ma okay see eba ha kakra even kramia me sector no metimi ade aya in say nema esisi ye no to say US ni Italy no ma ginsem no ni say ya manfo bebre o ha mi de aduro bi akwasane o de na confirm say o wanya bi e friend testicle
But okay.
E friend testicle
Okay. Doc Sheikh ma menkwa homa no so na mene Dr. Anthony Mensah or president Ghana Association of Medical Herbalists mene no entwetwe enkomo Doc oti menka mo akwaba.
Good morning to you na metia ahwefo nyina so anopay.
Okay. Doc, as an
Sheikh so on your studio to say.
Okay. Doc, as an alternative, yepe COVID-19 annual draw no. Do you think the time is long overdue? Say aban be share herbal medicine. Say e bi a church say e benya annual draw every honoma. Doc.
You mean me da say. Eno ana waka no. Ebre no de apa hopo. Na minimza ministry so aban na ministry so tu sa na mo no. Sisi ya ye ka say ministry na je products every practitioners ho. Ya Odiama Center for Plant Medicine Researcher. Almost so ye mu hwehwemu na ya hwe kwan ye befa so na traditional medicine and herbal medicine betumi aboa with the nation's approach towards finding a cure for COVID-19. No mum tze de waka no e wo se ye no tentem so. Nsi se ya ye ka say no kremu se wo patients are ya diagnose one COVID-19 no bi a wo that traditional medicines no so ya ye hwe the outcome of it and can ye nti ye hwehwe se anamotu no enye tentem kra if you say we hwe all over the world that obia open up mudin pa bia no ontoto ne natural medicines ase ampa so uba Ghana hanomo a ebresanti ni yetu ho na mo ye pa ya abibiban mu hade uba Africa ha e kama se wunya oman bia obetim de natoto Ghana ya bibidro ana ya haban dro ho sisi ya ye ka say for the last 20 years you are training medical herbalists or coming out of university. Yeah, doctor for us say your hospitals are government hospitals say juma COVID-19 you know by or can nipa yeah boashama ya patients no yeah or ma bia dia ye no yeguso ayeye na so before no minia no kremu say ye koso hade bi mu a mpani say compound ye obeya na waye ne kese ukasa agigim ade no ayeye no yetu anamo a yen cherish ana ye kura ye no yen proud of it na yen ne yiye preko na kwese ye ase ye nye no emo yiye nti anamontu bia was a herbal medicines ana bi drove for so tu e de boa ma COVID-19 abai yetumi pe na no sibre na yetumi to ase ne de ya ready say betumi aye na ye de aboa
usumini ayare yi ni ti amanfo de niam bebre na ko na meje wadwen kire ho obechia obi na so akakaduro ebi say nim tree any lots of herbal concoctions na amanfo enom de ye wo ho a cheche say ebetumi akoyare ya wadwen kire wo ho ne sen
herbal medicines there also ansana odoni aduro beba no ye na nanom wo ekwan ya na efaso ema nipadua no nya ahoden ohwa na montu a ministry dia to ho nam Ghana Health Service so ni information ministry so bo ho dawua ye bo dawuo no a kudu se nipa be hwe yie na virus no you don't come in contact with the virus in the first place enti ye say entity ya ho tem social distancing afi ye hwe se wo bi kasa kwan bia so nipa no ne hu nsuo bi emeka ho nti ye say fa bi katawa no ni nyina ya na montu ebeboa ade ba ko so ne say ye hwe se sempo nipa yensa ye de yensa so ne man bebre nti se wodo nsa koso bibi mpo na ko base virus no bi ewo sa surface na okotache ye no ye say ye mfa nsuo hohoro yensa ne samena nsuo no etene say we bi tap na de hohoro eno ye pa na afi so ya hwe say ye apply hand sanitizers na ade ba ko so ewom ni say unfortunately because virus no any color and any scent be no hu say ade a me ko hu ya na ade a makoso mi virus bi wo unfortunately the virus ni bi beko enipadua no mu a ade ba ko akoka ya bi ba ko pese wan kasa onipadua no immune system no e wa holding enough say betumi akọ na eho na sa enema manfo apply cc na ebem herbal medicines ewo a lot of phytochemicals ni say phytochemicals oko adesua mu a enema ewo ahaban mu ma na hode no tu ko yade no eno was bibre wo a ebo ma body no immune system ni ya hode obo nim tree obo your friend is saying akakadro ni hintia na de keka
garlic ne keka ka ho
COVID-19 ebeba no excellent ansana COVID-19 ebeba no ye na nanom ewo kwan ya fa so de sa na eman ema ni padua no nya ho odin moja no nya ho odin by way of immunity dada enti anya se COVID-19 kura na ye linking to it de pese ye kire ne se sa na eman ya de a ye nhwe se ye de bebo ye ho ban dada na anya se bi after COVID-19 no kura fe ye jai herbal medicines and traditional medicines na actually de ye koso emfa yen herbs no ne emfa no kwampa so medical ka se oman Ghana antenase ansana COVID beba ya take close to 20 years at training professionals in the area of herbal medicines. Yeah, I mean, because I call government hospitals. You're medical herbalist. I'm here president of the association. You're medical herbalist across the country. Every government hospital across various regions in the country. You know, who be medical herbalist. Obit me a boama. When Papa Befaso, obit me a use herbs. No, what to me I nesa. Enti ampara no herbal medicines no will be the boa. COVID-19 baby pa whatna edi ne djuma aye respiratory system no mu say ifiri wo hwene efa wo minimum ekosi wo hrawa no mu no eho pa na otna eginyarewa no ede ehyepa enti so obi fa nim tree na odi punu ne ho se de binom ye no a good adintia nim tree a lot of volatile oils any other phytochemicals nimbins ne nimberins wo mu ne ade a se wo subject ni to steam no a epejano free ahabana ho odin na ekọ respiratory system no koboa ema ekipi the integrity of the place yenkase eno na eye cure for COVID-19 sisi ahwemu na edisa nanso so yekase so dia se sane ma no boa ema nipa no eboa yen to protect yen to a large extent ema itimi enya strong immunity de ko etianyare
okay Dr. Mensah, final question na fe meja kwan Ghana Medical Association General Secretary Dr. Justice Youngson akano poten say wono de enya de a endorse any form of herbal medicine say ebetumi akon COVID-19 yare no woje ni saying
omini amedase mami misa wasem we na yemfa enyi sa asem na no ewiase afa na nyina sese ya kese fa no se onyankopon ancha de ye nhwehwemu abeda di se sebi utafrache anoma bi kura ne ho nsuo bi mpokura sɛbi tafrakyɛ ne dwonsɔ ebetumi akɔ covid-19 etu aseɛ ewiase bi som anaa yɛ nsom mfa nyɛ adwuma deɛ mpɛ sɛ mekyerɛ ne sɛ ewiase hwehwɛ the best treatment a ɛbɛboa ma yɛtumi atu saa yare wei ase na herbal medicines show great potential over the years akyinye biara ni ho sɛ sisi ame no kasa medical kasa ministry of health ankasa agye product samples yɛde ama Center for Plant Medicine Research wɔn mo yɛ mu hwehwɛmu ɛno da nkyɛn yɛwɔ nnuro ahodoɔ a herbal medicines wɔ Ghana hanom a ɛdi dwumasɔn approve itself sɛ ɛba viral diseases ɛba bacterial diseases ɛba chronic diseases ahodoɔ a yɛwɔ ho no yɛko wɔ Ghana ha herbal medicines tumi treat ɛnyɛ no nko a indeed sisi a yɛka sɛ the World Health Organization itself WHO na nkasa mu ato nkra de ama abibidrofoɔ nyinaa across the world sɛ obiara mo no homɔden na yɛhwehwɛ abibidro mu nhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya covid-19 ne pomasi brɛ nti saa asɛm a menua pani general secretary Ghana Medical Association kan ne deɛ sɛ kasa dodoɔ mu yɛ anamfom so mpɛm menim sɛ wonya opportunity koraa bi a ɔbɛpa ho kyɛw na wasrɛ sɛ yɛmfa nkyɛ bi a nano na ɛfom yɛ
Dr. Mensa saa kyɛw pa no ɛyɛ ade a mobɛgye ɛyɛ ade a mohwɛ anim sɛ ɔde kyɛw pa bɛbrɛ mu as an association.
Oh, precisely. Sɛ yɛnua ehunu sɛ menua me no kasa metumi ayɛmfom so wɔ kasa mu yɛn deɛ saa ne yɛhunu sɛ bi amfom so na sɛ bi adeɛ na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka nkasa no ɛna bi a wantumi anka ne yie kɔka no bibi foforɔ na mo mpa sɛ ɔbɛka sɛ ɔno deɛ wɔn gye herbal medicine tum ne adeɛ no deɛ menyɛ sure sɛ na ɔpɛ so ɔka firi sɛ wiase afa na nyinaa World Health Organization nankasa in fact ɔba yɛ Ghana ha Ministry of Health nankasa anamo ntu a watuo me say yɛwɔ herbal medicine practitioners a sɛbi utafrakyɛ ɛnyɛ ne maame anaa ne nana bi na kyerɛ no na wɔde nimdeɛ no yɛ adwuma. We have trained professionals in the area of herbal medicines. Yeah, yɛwɔ government hospitals ɛyɛ adwuma. Nti what are we talking about? Yɛ can say herbal medicines no. We have come of age as Ghanaians. Na ɛbrɛ we say yɛnyɛ kokwasa ho ase yɛkosom ase yɛnsom yie. Na yɛda ministry ase. Yɛda World Health Organization ase. Yɛda aban so ase sɛ wɔna ministry no so. Na wahu sɛ ampa herbal medicines great potential betumi ama in solution to this COVID-19 problem. No na ministry so agye products free practitioners so say yenye mu hwehwɛ mu na yɛmfa mmoa. Na de stress say yɛma saa na mo tuo no enye ntentem. Yɛma ntentem pa.
Okay. Dr. Anthony Mensah, President, Ghana Association of Medical Herbalists. And I pay my member was in fancy ha. Na Mensah Embra Dr. Sheikh Amin Bonsu. So doc. Niema ebinom ede kuyade in quotes we garlic okofa hwentia ebi kura se wupum etimi kum mmoa no wo practice ni nimbi awo no no kresa
ababoa betimi aboa I said the more can because we share with it say ginger no ye anti-inflammatory chemicals be aboa hrawa no ma circulation so eko yie mantinum ene mucus nyina timi clear no so ene ntino so bi ko use say oh mi ko num ginger na yino so ya ahrawa no mu yare no ndi bi ko use ginger natural say ana say enema na yakeka na saa no betimi de aboa say dem make kasa kire we make kan kire we am say through that you know ye nyina ye nuro make kasa na make kan be kire say yetimi de nuro bi awoyen end am for me nya bi wo brochira ayedin am say Italy ne US ne de make kasa kura me ben nyina me direct obi house wonsin san ho yare che say ade na gwo munsam ye wonu bi no wo ho a ye de ma wo mo a nyankopon adaroma women nyina live well now mama ma another example mama bi o East Logan haya woko of London na bai and one quarantine o quarantine ho wodi 11 12 13 hono na symptoms na start issue
e dan ho adi
issue ya koduru se uze statia ya na low upper respiratory system and na ba na uze witi no ni so to the running but we dey ne dey no esa kwa we dey ma na hu yehu ne se ekwa na kokko wura ahrawa no lower respiratory system no ekoduru ho a afi maame no otiminya de ma we ne dance from other flus no enie maame no wonya difficult in breathing and a chest tiredness so body pains all the symptoms no ema wonya to the extent say I mean kan twa wano so wontime home wo home so na is quizzy to say pneumonia what do you call it asthma de no na
asa o teso sa
teso na me wontime home kro wo kura into that point no and will be duru a man is different from other flu ni what do you call it what do you call it influenza and when they can when in the symptoms no a man is dead different when you know a chest no duru na wo kura no when ya di ya duru ofre ya di duru kokuma no within 1 hour within a 1 hour I don't know for about 12:30 but 1:30 mama no ya ringi no ka kire say all the symptoms no ni nyina amana ka ne kokono ene ewa no bo kakra woto aso no am say kwasiare we now ne be na ochimi ne ma ko fan ne sample
shake san roya o kan eyade a afa FDA for nsem ama o ma twetwe mu age atum
afa KN University afa mampon afa Food and Drug Board eyaduru a the aduna American ye di treat respiratory problems da issue ama o say coronavirus there was so many types of course there were omo ayin Middle East respiratory syndrome of coronavirus ye the aduna ko ho ekotreat dada and that is why you say if that's the case there yenye ni say na dosage ni yenye ni say ni yenhwe ene Nyankopon adaroma yade atra nipa no bebre ama Nyankopon adaroma omo akọ say ka adura sesi no Nyankopon adaroma ministry nyame onhira omo ne aban ene amamfo nyina yade akọ mampon omo ye antivirus nhwehwemu no ne yahwe no nyame moa no omo ntimi nya ne ntem me de na me kan say even kra this stage no a antiviral ayino nyama no the fact say it treat enipa no wo no timi adeni timi esano no eye a step ahead so did intimi yamfa say entimi nsa virus rokra but the fact say enipa no at that particular time no ne symptoms nke ekunu no ofra ne manyina ofra ne ba ma ne begina ne kwa no o akire na akiri so wo abibia because he knows that you're going to die oh sisi ya awela free on wato no
okay
sisi ya maybe the same thing enuro no a sa enuro na ma me de yes aduro no wa me bayi akura obi wo US a amaka say tam ndira enema na gwa munsam me bayi akura me kire so onko afro store onto wanya bi ebi wanya but at the same time no wo use no ebi kura wanya some of the materials am dey prepare no eno kura nyame adaroma eno na akipu no saa Nyankopon adaroma wono so enti we ni kire yin say ya me ya ho ye hare so ya me ya ho ye hare na nyame adaroma ye turn to the helps no na ye ntemu a ebi kura Ghana be the first country you come out say yanya dura
inshallah doc we da say Dr. Sheikh Amin Bonsu herbal medicine practitioner and na pay obeka yensa of course yenya Dr. Anthony Mensah oye president Ghana Association of Medical Herbalists so ewo ahoma no so
kakra mbeza me kan say I be say
30 seconds
amamfo no enyu mo adwene free say first pa no anenim defo enkom no because yenyina yakọ the same school no the same courses wo person oye doctor ye no yenyina yaye the only thing I say o specialization wo de obekwa ko use obi aduro wa prescribe so but yen de yenya ye diagnosis no wi a yenya say ye aduro no
okay
edi treat no na ye twam that time no I see o aduro ni need dosage no we no nti ye fa yenya na sa na
nti abusia hana remember kwan ma ye de esi wa hwe yen Adom TV so wa utie yen Asempa 94.7 FM midin edi CJ Forsen nyame adoma ye oda sene enso so hye ne nso se ochena nyame adoma no nso pe mu pepepe ye de coronavirus and matters arising kwesa de anwumre hye ye de ebebro 7:30 ewo Adom TV Asempa FM Adom FM and Insura FM wobɛte yɛn ka na afei nsɛmbisa bia ɛkyerɛ wadwen no yɛne mpanimfoɔ bɛsi nkonya ɔkyena nyame adom ɛhwɛ anim sɛ ne ɔnɔbɔ pa yɛ sɛ nam hagide ɛbɛtena ase na afei yɛatwetwe nkɔmmɔ abusua tena fie na nhyehyɛ ade egu akwan so nyinaa no di so na yadeɛ no yɛntimi enko stay at home and spread calm not fear midin di CJ yɛwoda sɛnɛ